Alright guys, so the iPhone 11 is finally out, and I know plenty of people are trying to figure out how to jailbreak it already. As soon as they get their hands on it, they're trying to jailbreak it. History repeats itself and everyone wants to jailbreak their iPhone 11, guys. But I'm going to show you all exactly how I did it. As you can see, I have Cydia on my phone. Didn't have to pay at all. You know, this is completely free. And yeah, it's working on the new iPhone 11, guys. I'm going to go ahead and show you all exactly how you can do this and download Cydia and jailbreak your new iPhone 11, guys. So what you're going to want to do is go to the website appace.co on your mobile device, your iPhone 11, and go to the website appace.co, guys. So type that in. So just like that, appace.co. And then guys, once you're on the site, you're going to look for Cydia. So as you can see, I found it right there. Now if you're having trouble finding it, click the search bar and go ahead and type Cydia right there. And now we're going to click install on Cydia, and we're almost ready to get Cydia on our iPhone 11. So guys, click start download and just wait for this to load. So you just got to choose that you're on an iOS device and then click download. Alright guys, so pay attention closely. You're going to see this pop up right here. This is the final injection page that you just got to complete real quick. So click verify now. And before you can get the jailbreak or Cydia on your iPhone 11, on your brand new iPhone 11, you just have to complete the injection, which takes a couple of minutes to do it. It's completely free. You just got to follow and complete the instructions of two of the offers down here. So as you guys can see, when you're on this page, you're going to see a bunch of apps, and you just got to do the instructions of two of them. So let me go ahead and start it up. I'm going to go ahead and do this app. So as you can see, it's telling me to download it and run it for 30 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys an example. So as you can see, I already have the app installed because I've done this already, and that's how I had Cydia in the beginning, how I showed you guys proof. So yeah, now I'm just running the app for about 30 seconds, exactly as it told me to do. Alright guys, so once you've done your first app, I don't know if that was exactly 30 seconds, but for the sake of this time of the video, I don't want to make it too long. Once you've done your first app like how I just did, you come back here and you do a second one. So choose a second one. You know, each one has specific instructions. When you click on it, it tells you what to do and lock instructions. You just got to complete that 100% of the way. And once you do two, Cydia will install onto your device. So let me see if I can, there it is. Cydia's right there. And yeah guys, once it's there for good. But if for some reason you're having trouble finding your Cydia app, it's probably because you didn't do the instructions correctly. So you just come back here and try another app or two, and that should fix it, guys. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any problems, like the video, subscribe, and then comment down below what you need, and I'll try to help you guys out with that. But anyways guys, thank you very much for watching, and peace out everyone.